Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Pandas Airdrop listing date and price prediction. Everything you need to know. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts, get ready for an exciting opportunity. The Pandas Airdrop is making waves in the crypto community, offering users a chance to earn free tokens through simple tasks on Telegram. If you've been looking for a way to start your crypto journey or add to your portfolio without spending any money, this airdrop could be perfect for you. What is Pandas Airdrop? Pandas Airdrop is a cryptocurrency giveaway program hosted on Telegram. It allows users to earn free Pandas tokens by completing specific tasks like joining groups, sharing links, and inviting others to participate. This isn't the first time Telegram has been used for crypto giveaways. Similar programs like xKuCoin Airdrop and Paws Airdrop were hugely popular. If you missed those previous opportunities, don't worry. Pandas Airdrop is here, and it's shaping up to be even bigger. Joining is free, and with the potential listing just months away, now is the perfect time to jump in and start earning. How does Pandas Airdrop work? The Pandas Airdrop stands out from other crypto giveaways due to its structured tasks and earning methods. Unlike some airdrops where users only need to tap a button repeatedly, Pandas Airdrop requires a little more interaction. Here's how it works. 1. Referrals. You can earn additional tokens by inviting others to join. Share your unique referral link with friends, family, or your social media network. Every time someone signs up using your link, you'll receive a bonus in Pandas tokens. 2. Complete tasks. The platform provides several tasks you can complete to earn tokens. These tasks may include joining the official Pandas Telegram group, following specific social media accounts, sharing promotional content, filling out simple forms or surveys. The tasks are straightforward, and the instructions are clear, making it easy for anyone, even beginners in the crypto world, to participate. Why should you join Pandas Airdrop? Still on the fence? Here are a few reasons why you should consider joining Pandas Airdrop. Free entry. There's no cost involved. All you need is a Telegram account and a bit of your time. Low effort, high rewards. By completing simple tasks, you can earn tokens that may have significant value once the airdrop is listed on exchanges. Potential profits. The predicted listing price of Pandas tokens is $0.0023 per token. While this may seem small, accumulating a large number of tokens during the airdrop phase could translate into a worthwhile reward later. Experience with airdrops. For newcomers, this is an excellent way to learn how cryptocurrency airdrops work and get involved in the crypto space without financial risk. How to get started with Pandas Airdrop. Joining the Pandas Airdrop is a breeze. Just follow these simple steps. Join the Telegram group. Click on the official link provided by Pandas Airdrop to join their Telegram group. Tap the Start button. Once you've joined the group, tap the Start button to activate your participation. Complete tasks. Follow the instructions to complete the available tasks. These could include joining additional groups, sharing your referral link, or engaging with the platform's social media pages. Refer others. Share your referral link with as many people as possible to maximize your earnings. Check your balance. Use the platform to track your earned tokens. Keep completing tasks and referring others to grow your balance. When will Pandas tokens be listed? The Pandas Airdrop tokens are expected to be listed on various cryptocurrency exchanges in September 2024. Once listed, users will have the opportunity to trade their tokens or hold on to them for potential future gains. It's important to act quickly. The sooner you join, the more time you'll have to accumulate tokens before the listing date. Early participants often have the advantage of earning more rewards. Pandas Airdrop price prediction. The predicted listing price for Pandas tokens is $0.0023 per token. While this is an introductory price, it could increase depending on the demand for the token and the overall success of the project. For context, many airdrop tokens in the past have gained value over time as their respective projects grew and gained more attention. While there are no guarantees, collecting as many tokens as possible during the airdrop phase could set you up for significant gains in the future. Tips to maximize your earnings. To get the most out of the Pandas Airdrop, follow these tips. Start early. The earlier you join, the more tasks you can complete and tokens you can earn. Invite more people. Use your referral link to bring in as many participants as possible. Stay active. Regularly check the Telegram group for new tasks and updates about the airdrop. Be cautious. Only use official links and platforms to avoid scams. Final thoughts. The Pandas Airdrop is a great opportunity for anyone interested in cryptocurrency, whether you're a seasoned trader or a complete beginner. With a listing date set for September 2024 and a predicted starting price of $0.0023 per token, now is the time to take action and start earning. Don't let this chance slip away. Join the Pandas Airdrop today and start building your crypto portfolio with zero risk.